Welcome to the Billionaires League. Our app was built for the novice investor, the advanced investor, along with those who want to enter the market, how to invest by piggybacking on the world's billionaires, the world's leading investment banks, and the world's leading pension fund stock portfolio in real time. How does this benefit me as a customer? It's simple. We've built algorithms to make it easier to understand how to mimic the billionaires and the bank's portfolio. As you could see, we're presently inside JP Morgan's portfolio with a total asset under management 1.6 trillion. The average user wouldn't understand all of this. It's simple. Top 11 stocks year to date. You will see that move in real time, showing you the actual performance. Presently, JP Morgan is up on their portfolio. It will also show you your current balance. How is it moving in real time? In addition to that, from a click of a button, guys, you could simply understand and view the sectors where these leaders invest in. Now, as you could see, the largest slice of the pie chart is 84 billion US dollar JP Morgan invests in the financial sector. What does that mean for me? It's simple, guys. As a user, our patent technology enables you to replicate their portfolio in real time. As you could see, Apple, Amazon, Bank of America. So you have several options you could do here. Press replicate, or you could customize your portfolio accordingly and press trade. So let's begin and press replicate. As you see here, it's a calculator that will pop up asking you, what amount do you want to invest to mimic JP Morgan's portfolio? Simple. Just press $20. By putting $20 now, you get the same percentage of portfolio exposure in the stocks owned by one of the world's leading investment banks. Upon checkout, you'll get a notification saying you're about to mimic 11 instruments, commission, including your total investment. Within less than 5 seconds, you can mimic a billionaire or a pension fund's portfolio. Let's proceed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. From a click of a button, it takes you to your portfolio overview screen so you can have an idea of how your portfolio is performing now according to those that you mimic. Let's take a look at the top billionaires. For example, these are the key benefits we highlight. So let's say you want to take a look at Abigail Johnson. As a subscriber, you have the option to favorite your billionaire. And in our second version, we will able to give you notification based on who you follow. So Abigail Johnson, top 11 stocks here to date. You could press the star and you're following her in real time. In addition to that, you could also see the sectors she's invested in. She also has 222 billion invested in the tech sector. Let's say for those who don't understand who's Abigail, our partner Forbes give background information on these individuals so you could become financially educated as to who you're about to mimic. You could also see her portfolio holdings. She owns Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and Facebook. So you could position your portfolio to suit. So let's say you want to mimic her. You could simply press replicate. If not, you could simply press trade. What trade does, it enables you to do fractional order. Amazon stock price is 1900 US dollar. With our mobile technology, you could do fractional transaction. So you could put $20 in Apple or Amazon and own a fraction of that share. Or you could even put $200. That's the new generation of investing. Traditionally, you had to do blocks. As you could see, scroll down, our partner Forbes provide content in real time about investing, technology, finance, and anything to do with entrepreneurship. Let's go back here and take a look at the pension funds. We start off with the largest based on asset under management. We have CalPERS, Canadian Pension, and the Rockefeller Group. So let's take a look at Canadian Pension Fund, which is similar to the Heritage and Stabilization Fund in Trinidad. Their performance year to date, you could see your balance on all screens, the different sectors they're investing in. So it gives you an idea as to the top performing sectors, give you a background history of who is Canadian Pension Investment Fund and the different stocks that they own, and everything, as you could see, is moving in real time. Let's take a look at open brokerage account, which is our key main benefit. As a user of the Billionaires League, you could now open international stock brokerage account digitally. Traditionally, this used to be tedious for the average person to get started, which is why we now partner and integrate with first world brokers that enable you to open up your brokerage account directly in the application. In addition to that, we also have TD Ameritrade as an additional broker where they do not have a local brokerage account. Let's go back to a user, for example, who would like to link their brokerage account in the application. This is for the more advanced investors. Let's say you are ready to fund your brokerage account. It's simple. All of this could be done digitally within the mobile application. Let's proceed. The balance, deposit funds, your entire portal transform. Now you could select credit card as a method of funding, wire transfer, etc. Withdraw funds, same process. You could do a wire transfer back to your account wherever you are in the world. So let's take a look at deposit funds. You could select that option, deposit amount, credit card, expiration date, CCV, that's it. Within 2 to 3 business days, your account has been funded and you could start mimicking portfolio in the Billionaires League. Unlink your brokerage account, okay, that's it. So our benefit, we equipped users to view inside the world's leading billionaires portfolio in real time so that you could piggyback on their portfolio strategy. In addition to that, our users could now understand where the world leaders are investing their portfolio and do the same. We welcome you on board. Any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you for joining the Billionaires League.